In exercise 1.3, first question is make the correct statements by filling the symbols of subset or not a subset in the blank spaces. First is set of 2, 3, 4 and set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Please note all the elements of this set are in this set, hence we can call first set as a subset of the second set. Now next is second question is set of ABC and set of BCD. Please note here all the elements of first set are not in the set B, so this is not a subset of first set, is not a subset of the second set. Now third question is it is a set of X such that X is a student of class 11 of your school, and second set is it is a set of X such that X is a student of your school. Please note 11th class is a part of the school, so all the students of class 11 are the students of the school, hence this is a subset. Fourth set is a set of X such that X is a circle in the plane. So it is a circle in the plane. It can be any circle in the plane. Then X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. In the same plane there is another circle of radius 1 unit. Now will this all the circles be in this set? So it's not possible, since all sets are, these are many circles and of different radii, so this is not a subset. Now next is X is a triangle in a plane, and second question is set of X such that X is a rectangle. Now this is first is a triangle and second is a rectangle. So you can understand that these triangles are not the part of a rectangle, so it is not a subset of first set, is not the subset of the second set. Sixth question is it is a set of X such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, so this is a triangle having all sides equal. And second set is it is a set of X such that set of X is a triangle in the same plane. So it can be any triangle. Please note equilateral triangle is a triangle in the same plane, so this is a subset. Last question is it is a set of X such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So it is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, and next set is it is a set of X such that X is an integer. Please understand, you can see negative integers and positive integers. So please note all the elements of this set are present in this set, hence it is a subset. So first set is a subset of the second set. In exercise 1.3, second question is examine whether the following statements are true or false. First question is set of AB is not a subset of BCA. Please note element A is present in this, B element is also present in the second set. So first set is a subset. So this statement which is given that AB is not a subset of BCA is wrong. Hence this statement is false. Now second is a set of AE is a set of, and another is a subset of set of X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. Vowel everybody knows, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of English alphabets. Now please note all the elements are present, so it is a subset. It means the given statement is true. Next is set of 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. Please note here element 2 is not present in this, so all the elements of first set are not present in the second set, hence it is not a subset. So this statement which is given is a false statement. Third statement is set of A is a subset of set of A, B, C. Here all the elements of first set are present in the set B, hence first set is a subset of second set, hence the given statement is true. Fifth question is set of A belongs to. Please note set of A belongs to A, B, C. Here set A, this symbol is belongs to. Watch carefully. Here it is not a set. Here it is given belongs to. It is not a, belongs to means it is not a part of this set. Hence the given statement is false. Next is set of X such that X is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number less than 6. Even natural number less than 6 is set of 2, 4, 6, and this is X is a natural number which divides 36. Natural number dividing 36 are dividing 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So these are natural number which divides 36. Now watch carefully. Here 2, 4, 6 are 2 is present, 4 is present, 6 is present. So first set is a subset of the second set, hence the given statement is correct, and hence we say the statement is true. In exercise 1.3, third question is, let A be the set of 1, 2. Please note here this is a single element set of 3, 4. It is written in the brace bracket, but it is a single element 5. So there are only 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements in the set A. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Now please note here it is given 3, 4 is a subset of A. Please note 3, 4 here is an element and not a subset. It is not a set given. So this is an incorrect statement. Then next 3, 4 belongs to A. So please note here 3, 4 is an element of A. So 3, 4 belongs to A. So this is a correct statement. Then set of 3 upon 4 is a subset of A. So this is also a correct statement. Please understand here this set is a single element and it is a subset of A. Then 1 belongs to set A. 1 belongs to set A. This is also a correct statement. Then 1 is a subset of A. Please note here 1 is not given a set. Set is a this must be a set. If it is a set, then it can be a subset of the other set. So here this is an incorrect statement. Next is set of 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. 1, 2 and 5. Please note 1, 2 and 5 all elements of this set are in set A. So this statement is a correct statement. Then set of 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. Means 1, 2, 5 is a 1, 2, 5. Please understand here 1, 2, 5 is not an element but it is a set. So this belongs to, because of belongs to, this statement becomes incorrect. Next is 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. Here 1, 2 and 3 is not an element in this case. Understand this, 3 is not an element. So 1, 2, 3 is not a subset. 3 is not in A. Hence this statement is incorrect. Next is 5 belongs to A. 5 belongs to A. This statement is a 5 belongs to A. 5 is not an element here. So this statement is again incorrect. So 5 does not belong to A. So this is incorrect. Next is 5 is a subset of A. Every null set is a set of all the sets. So this is a correct statement. Then set of 5 is a subset of, 5 is a, and last question is set of 5 is a subset of A. Please note here 5 is not an element in A. So A does not contain 5 elements. Hence 5 is not a subset of A. It is given subset. So given statement is incorrect. Write down all the subsets of the following set. Now, the first set is a set of A. We know that null set is a subset of all the sets. So we can say null set, and every set is a set of itself. So subsets, these are the subsets of given set. Please note here this null set can be represented by phi, Greek letter phi. So now next second question is, if you want to write the subset of this is phi, then set of A, then set of B, set of AB. Subsets of this is phi, then set of 1, set of 2, set of 3, then set of 1 and 2, set of 2 and 3, set of 1 and 3, and lastly set of 1, 2 and 3, set of 1, 2 and 3. Here set of phi, so subset of phi is phi itself. So every set is a set of itself, subset of itself.